Hello friends, this is Chef Pindo here. Welcome to my channel which is Pindo Vinay Cuisine. Hope you all are doing good. Today I'm going to show you how to make a black pomfret with tandoori masala. Try this recipe at home and you'll get a better result. So guys, let's start this process of making black pomfret with tandoori masala. For that I have taken 3 pomfret, medium size pomfret. I have put slight cuts on both the sides so it absorbs the marination. Applied salt and little bit of turmeric powder. We'll keep this aside. Meanwhile, we'll start with the process of making the marination for that. For the marination, I have taken ginger garlic paste, which is 1 tablespoon, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, that is Kasmiri Chilli powder. I have taken cumin powder, which is half teaspoon, 3/4 of Garam masala powder, and black pepper powder, which is half a teaspoon. And also I have taken 1 tablespoon of besan. Besan is to bind all the ingredients. It gives you a good texture also. We'll check out, we'll try out, and we'll see the final product as well. Kasuri methi I have taken, which is 1/4 of a teaspoon, just to give the flavor. We'll add curd to this, which is 3 tablespoon. Oil is 1 tablespoon. Lemon juice is 1 whole lemon I've taken and extract juice of that. Cilantro, which is fresh coriander. I've taken red color, 1 cap, and salt to taste. Already added salt to the fish. Now this I have added only for the masala. Now we'll mix it nicely to make a nice paste. Guys, see this marination is already mixed. Now we will apply this to the fish. This I will grill it first and then I will put it in the oven. Oven is already set for 180 degrees Celsius, which is 360 degree Fahrenheit. This is nicely marinated. We'll keep this aside for at least 10 minutes before we start sealing this with the cooking process. So let's start with the sealing process. We'll seal it first before it goes in the oven. And also one thing to keep in mind, if you don't want to put it in the oven, you can finish this over here itself. So this is just sealed now, fish, which is 30% ready. Before it goes in the oven, I will apply this remaining marination to it and I will cook it in the oven for 20 minutes. Guys, the aroma of this is watery. The mouth is full of water. This is now ready to go in the oven. So guys, this is the final product. See how beautiful it looks and how appealing it is. And this is ready to be served now.
Thank you so much all you lovely people who watch our video. Please like, share and subscribe and help our channel to grow.